Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to make a flapping bird. Let's go straight into the video. First, we should make a diagonal fold over here. Like this. And do the same for the opposite side. Next, we should unfold this flap. And we should fold the paper into half. And do the same for the opposite side. Like this. Next, we should make a square base over here. For making it, we should take this flap and fold it over here. And take this crease and fold like this. And do the same for the opposite side and fold this flap. Now we have a nice and clean square over here. We should flatten it and we should take this side to the center crease like this. And do the same over here. And turn the paper and fold this side to the center crease. And now fold the right side to the center crease. Next, unfold these flaps also for the opposite one, and take this flap and fold it between these two creases. And do the same for the opposite side. Make a reverse fold and take this flap and fold it on the crease which is made, and take the left and right side and fold it to the center crease over here. First the left one and next the right one. Like this. Turn the paper over and take this flap and fold it on that crease and do the same over here. Like this. Now we have a nice and clean one over here. We should fold this flap like this for making the head, and we should fold this flap over here for making the tail. Now we should make a reverse crease over here. We should fold this flap between these two flaps which are going to be the wings. This is known as the reverse folder. And do the same for this one. We should fold it between these two wings. And now we are going to make the head. We should fold a small flap over here. And for the same, we should make a reverse crease. And now we are going to make the wings. We should fold the wings like this over here, and do the same for the opposite wing like this. Tada! Your flapping bird is ready. For making it flap, we should pull its tail back and forth Thanks for watching.